In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Webflow CMS. This process will be super helpful for those of you who are looking to transfer or back up content from your Webflow projects. Now let's dive right into the steps to help you accomplish this task swiftly and smoothly. First things first, what you need to do is navigate to your specific Webflow project. You can do this by opening your browser and going to your Webflow dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, find and select the project you wish to export the CMS data from. This step is crucial because you'll need to access the particular project that houses the content you're interested in. Once you've entered the project, take a moment to make sure you're in the right one to avoid any unnecessary mishaps. Now that you're inside your project, the next step is to locate and click on the CMS tab. You'll typically find this on the left-hand side of your Webflow editor. The CMS tab is essentially where all your content lives. Think of it as the digital filing cabinet for all your blog posts, collections, and any structured content you have integrated into your project. After clicking the CMS tab, you're going to spot the Export option. This might appear at the top of your CMS panel, prominently placed to ensure easy access. Clicking the Export button is your gateway to downloading your content. This feature is particularly handy for those moments when you need to create a backup or share the content across different platforms. When you press the Export button, Webflow allows you to export your CMS data in the form of a CSV file, which stands for comma-separated values. A CSV is a simple file format used to store tabular data, such as a spreadsheet or database, and it's incredibly convenient for data manipulation and management. Once you've made sure you're ready to proceed, confirm the export, and Webflow will trigger the download. It's worth noting that this process might require a moment, especially if you have a large collection, but usually it is quick. Remember, exporting your CMS content gives you a broader range of flexibility for handling your data beyond the Webflow ecosystem. It enables you to import your content into other platforms, provide your team with detailed insights, or even perform advanced data analysis. With the CSV file saved on your computer, you can now access your Webflow CMS content in any application that supports CSV files, such as Excel or Google Sheets. This process not only ensures you have a backup, but also extends the usability of your content beyond Webflow. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your Webflow CMS data. This simple yet effective method is invaluable for safeguarding your content and expanding your work's applications. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask in the comments below. Happy exporting!